Hello friends, after taking the front ends of your hairs, you simply need first tuck it inside it, and after tucking it into a rubber band, you can take the remaining hair parts like these and you will be done. Take the first ends of your hairs, and after inserting them into this position, you can see that how we have braided them perfectly. Now simply repeat the same process for the another end of your hairs and tuck them inside. First, take the front ends of your hair strips with the help of a thin strip, and then after tucking them in a braided form, you can repeat the process of another braid too, and your hairstyle will be done. Just follow these steps that are being shown and this majestic and cute hairstyle is ready. Take the front strip of your hairs and start folding them. After folding them, you can simply take another pair of your hairs and start inserting them in between. After inserting them in between, you can see that how perfectly we have braided it, and inside the braids, the layers of the another hair look really great. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.